Hello guys, in this video we are going to see branch and bound method for 01 snapshot problem. The 01 snapshot problem we have done in three different ways. One is greedy method, one is dynamic method, one is branch and bound method. In this video we are going to see the branch and bound method using for snapshot problem. To implement branch and bounding method for solving 01 snapshot problem, uh, the description is given n items, their respective weights and profits of and capacity of and knapsack of capacity W. We need to select items to be put in a knapsack such that we can maximize the profit of gain and do not exceed the capacity of knapsack. If for knapsack having a maximum profit, we have to select the items for to get a maximum profit gain do not exceed the snapshot problem. uh, this is a 01 snapshot. We should use only 0 or 1. We should not, we can either we can taken full or not be taken at all. In this there is no fractional. KSI denotes the maximum profit. We can get choosing by till ith item and total maximum weight. W is a total maximum weight and I is an items. KS is an profit, maximum profit. This is the formula that we are using for branch and bound method for a 01 snapshot problem, where K of I of W is equals to max of K of I minus 1, where W is in weight, comma K of I comma 1 W minus WT I plus V of I. This is a formula that we are using. Each item can either be included in optimal solution or it can not be part of optimal solution. There are two cases. Case 1, therefore the maximum value that can be obtained from n items in maximum number of following two values. Case 2, if the weight of n items greater than W, then n item cannot be included, and case 9 is only possible. These are two cases which for the branch and bound 01 using 01 for using for 01 snapshot problem. Let's get into the code. This code we are doing in C++ programming language, and we initialize structure method, and in item is an item, the structure component, and structure node is another one. In the initialize float weight and init weight, and bool is a function. CMP is a comparison, finding that if, and here is a bound method we are using, and knapsack method we are using, and main method. This is a main method which we are initializing values of 2, 5 and 3, this is the weight, and 60 is an value profit, and n is the size of an array, and by size of a of 0. This is an the length of the length of the array, and we're calling the knapsack method. Here we're passing W array values, and n is the length of an array. Array is the length of an array. In init bound we are passing node u and int n in W item array. In that we're checking if the weight overcomes the knapsack capacity, return 0, and we are initializing the bound on a profit by current profit. This function is for that, and also start including items for including items from index 1 for more to current item, and we're checking with J and incrementing the u dot level plus 1 and total weight to that, and we are upgrading. And after that, using this while function, we're checking the values of that, and this knapsack function is the function we're checking. We're doing this formula, we're checking this formula to not exceed from that. After that, v dot weight is equals to, we are assigning the values and checking the maximum profit. If it is maximum profit and returning the maximum profit, after returning it will print here. See out here, print it here, it will print. Let's run the code. The values are 2 comma 50, 3.15 comma 60, 1.98 comma 20, 1.9. This fractional values is an is a maximum profit. That's it. The maximum profit, possible profit is 325. That's it. Thank you.